Alright, finally made it to the abandoned train. Okay, go into the passenger one first. Take a look at the outside. Probably see the mangler and go on top of it. What'd you say?
Like the rocks or something must have kicked up in there.
Yeah, I know. This thing got, like, destroyed. This passenger train.
I was here at like nighttime.
Yeah, we were here one time at nighttime. It was pretty freaky too when we went.
That was when I like ran the person.
Ross was whining like a baby to go. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, you go on the left side. They like changed it when they brought it back.
Really?
Yeah. Because I tried going in on the right side. Oh, please tell me they didn't lock this. I was able to get in on this side. Yep.
What about right here? What the fuck is wrong with that?
Oh, that wasn't open last time I was here. It was this door right here was wide open the last time I was here. Yeah. Alright. Just gotta put this, stand this crap up right here. Alright, don't. What the hell is that thing? Ow! Big metal things like in the way. Yeah, but they boarded that thing. Did you get in? How'd you get in that way? They boarded that door up. That's why I couldn't get in there. Huh. I don't know why they don't want people in this. It smells weird in here. What are you doing? Let me see. What's with the green window? All foggy windows. Like, what's the date on that?
1992.
1992? That's 18 years ago. Looks like it's older than that. Wow, a window was kicked in here.
That's the one I climbed into.
Are you serious? Did you just kick it out?
No, I just kicked it
out.
out.
I was like, wow. You're telling me not to make noise.
Here's the bathroom.
There's a bathroom back there, too. Wow, it's the dirtiest bathroom I've ever seen.
This door's wide ass open too, so we should have got in here.
Got some WD-40 over there. Alright, let's check out the rest of the train.
Is that door open?
No, I don't think so. Why? Yeah, it actually does. It opens. Is there someone out there?
No, there's a helicopter. Stay inside the train.
Should we make a run for it in the woods? Crap, it's getting closer.
It's not like they're gonna be able to see us over here.
You can't escape from a chopper, tough guy. Hey, you're breaking into a train we don't use anymore. Gonna arrest you in a chopper.
Let's take that life flight. The electricity clinic.
I can't really get with this thing. It's so far away. Alright, let's go outside. It's already almost 5 minutes on this thing. Actually, you know what? Oh. This thing's gonna like go up when I go down. I didn't want to make a bunch of noise. Ow. These ones are fully locked. Can't really get into them. That's the passenger one's usually the only one they have here. They moved it out, but they used to have like another cart. We called it the Polar Express cart because they had stuff they use in the Polar Express in it.
Is the Mangler still here?
Yeah, it's way down there. You want to see it? Yeah, we'll show you the Mangler. That's what we call it because we have no idea what the hell this thing is.
See, there's probably like dead bodies.
Yeah, what there is that is this thing locked? This one? Yeah, there just wasn't a lock on that. Here's the Mangler. That thing is pretty sweet looking, if you ask me.
What the fuck it does.
Yeah, don't know what it does. But, yeah, whatever. I'm just going to say I've never seen anything like that before in my life. One of a kind machine.
There's some levers and shit.
I could get a picture with you on my phone. Just like you driving that thing.
Jack and hook safety lock engage for travel. Horn. Safety valves down for travel. Up for.
We can get in that. Crap. Can't get off a freaking train. I just slipped off. Horn emergency phone. Jack, is that what you're reading right there? What are all these levers?
You could like the crank thingies up there too.
It's like, yeah, crank thing. Ow, I hurt my elbow when I slipped. I'm really on top of this thing. Not this thing, but the train. Oh, you pissing? Right now I'm on top of the passenger train. That's pretty much the rest of it. What's up? There's really nothing down on that end, just more locked carts. I don't even know why I came down this way. What?
Those are your footprints?
Yeah, those are actually my footprints. Oh, that's pretty much it. That's all. That's the whole abandoned train. Been coming to this place for just couple years. So yeah, pretty neat place to go if you just want to go adventuring